Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the 2023 Nissan Z. Something that I found out is that I had this red Acura and it's like chilling on top of there. And the back bumper actually got a little bit of paint chipped off because of this one kept on hitting it. I'm really pissed off about that, but it's fine. Let's go and take a look at the 2023 Z. Let's pop it open. Ooh, that is very clean. Let's just pop it out and put it on the shelves. So alright, let's take a look at the Z. Right here, let's get a little bit closer and spin it. So taking a look at this car, it's a pretty nice ocean blue color. I really love the rims on this. Really fits the car. There is no paint on the wheels, but still some very incredible back headlight paintings. The mufflers are also pretty nice too. I really like the big glass top on the car. Pretty cool. There are no kind of like, arms like this. So still pretty cool design in the car. Really like how detailed they made this one. Instead of like other cars, actually have the Nissan logo and the headlights on the car. So that's pretty awesome. We're gonna put this on the shelf pretty soon. So just talked about that. So now we move this Acura out of the way. I don't know where this belongs in my shelf, but I'll have to figure it out. I feel really dumb because before I put a bunch of normal cars in here, so the Acura was here and kept them bumping into the back. Had a little bit of scratch. Anyways, let's pop this bad boy open. So I do not know where to put this thing. All I know is that half these cars are hanging on for dear life. Ooh, shit. It's gonna be very dirty. My hands are very dirty. I don't really care though. I do care. I don't want to destroy my cars. Come on, go inside. Yeah, there we go. We got the car inside. Close up that pocket. Anyways, guys, just wanted to talk about the Nissan Z. See you next time. Bye.